Are your agents applying macros one action at a time when they could be doing 5 things with a single click? Macros are Zendesk's most underutilized efficiency tool, and mastering every available action is the difference between a fast support team and a truly scalable one. Each macro action modifies a specific ticket field using a simple field value pair. Unlike triggers that fire automatically or automations that run on schedules, macros are applied manually by agents who judge when the situation calls for it, giving you precision without losing speed. Macros share most of their actions with triggers and automations, but not all. Understanding this overlap and where the boundaries are prevents you from spending hours debugging why something will not work inside a macro. The core shared actions cover everything you need to change on a ticket: status, priority, type, group and assignee assignment, custom fields, ticket forms, and brand. These work identically whether you use them in a macro, a trigger, or an automation. Tag management gives you 3 distinct actions. Set to tags replaces all existing tags with new ones for a clean slate. Current tags adds to what is already there. Remove tags deletes specific tags while leaving others intact. Multi-word tags use underscores, like billing issue. 5 actions are exclusive to macros and unavailable in triggers or automations. You can replace the ticket subject, add plain text or HTML formatted comments, control whether a comment is public or private, and even initiate side conversations with external parties, all in one macro. Knowing macro limitations prevents hours of debugging. You cannot send CSAT satisfaction surveys, send direct email notifications to users or groups, trigger webhooks, or set status to new or closed from a macro. Those require triggers or automations. Every macro action uses the same structure: a field name and a value, string values for status and priority, user IDs for assignee, space-separated text for tags. Combine multiple actions in a single macro to achieve complete ticket resolution in one click. Placeholders make macros personal at scale. Reference the requester's first name, their email, the ticket ID, or the original description, all pulled in dynamically. Use placeholders in your comment text, and Zendesk renders the real values for every ticket the macro touches. Custom object placeholders, introduced in 2024, let macros pull data from linked records like orders or contracts. Liquid markup adds formatting control. Format dates as readable text or truncate long descriptions to keep your macro output clean and consistent. The best macros combine status, assignee, comment, and tags into a single one-click resolution. Name them with double-colon categories like billing, refund processed, so agents can find the right one fast. Always include a plain text fallback for HTML comments and audit your library every few months. eesel AI learns from your existing macros and helps enter content from day one. It handles repetitive tickets automatically, so agents focus on complex cases. Gradual rollout lets you start with AI drafting responses for review, then expand to full automation as confidence grows. Macros give you control, triggers add automation, and AI brings intelligence. Start with eesel AI free for 7 days and build a smarter Zendesk support operation without any API complexity. No credit card required.